What's that?
Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, that's giant. Look at him. Look at him.
Whoa.
I almost got him.
Oh my God, get him out of those weeds.
Did I lose him?
Hold on.
No, I didn't.
Here, let me, where's that net? Hold on. I don't know if I can get him with this thing. This net's a little small. Hold on.
Get him. Come on.
Whoa, hold on, hold on. Where the hell is it? Oh my God, I almost dropped the thing. Where the line's caught? Where is it?
Oh, I got him. Whoa, that's a mess. Whoa.
Whoop, hold on.
Should we
Right,
let him die?
Hold on.
Wait, can I
Hold
pick
on.
him out?
How about that? How about that? Hold on.
Can I pick him out?
Hold on. Wow. Grab him. Here, let me get the hook out. Here, hold the camera.
Okay.
Hold the camera. Hold on. Here, put that down.
Okay.
Here. I want you to put your thumb. You gotta do it strong.
Okay, is it hard?
Huh? You put it right where mine is. Here, I'm gonna just pinch it taut, real taut.
I can't.
We'll get your both here, but right here, the lower jaw. Squeeze hard, squeeze hard, squeeze hard. Don't worry about him biting you. Hold on. Turn around, turn around, turn around.
Monsters.
Yeah, nice. Now hold on.